there. So I'm excited to talk to you today about Kurzweil 3000, which is an assistive technology and text-to-speech software, which can be extremely beneficial for our students. So Kurzweil was designed to support reading comprehension by integrating visual and auditory elements. And this is especially useful for students who maybe are neurodiverse, they have ADHD, maybe they have a specific learning disability like dyslexia, maybe they're acquiring a new language or acquiring English as an additional language. I'm going to demonstrate some of the basics of logging in and organizing your files in this first video installment, and then in future installments to come, you'll learn some more of the complexities of Kurzweil. As I demonstrate them for you, feel free to follow along by visiting the link at the bottom of the screen. So it's Kurzweil3000.com. And in this video, we're going to highlight just the getting started elements. So that's going to be logging into your account, organizing your files, and uploading content you want read aloud. So I'm going to hop on over to Kurzweil right now. And this is the login page that you should see when you do the same. Instead of typing in my credentials, I am going to select this second login option since my USF account is actually a Microsoft email. And you have access to this technology for free using your USF account. So just go ahead and click Sign in with Microsoft. You're then either going to enter your credentials like you would when logging into your USF portal, or if you've visited the site before, it will likely remember your account, and you can just go ahead and click to select the right account. So I see this is my stfrancis.edu account right here. When I select that, it's going to bring me to my primary landing page, which is my Universal Library in Kurzweil. This is where all of my files are organized and stored. I can organize my content using the pane all the way to the left of the screen. So this organizational pane right here displays all of my folders and existing content. So these little arrows to the far left can be used to collapse or expand content so that I can view it. Now, every user will have their name appear at the top of the navigational pane, and then they'll have 3 folders below it: a private, a public, and a recently opened files folder. I like to store a lot of my content in my private folder, and I do so by creating additional folders under that private folder. And so if I want to add another folder, what I can go ahead and do is right-click where I'd like to add the folder. So I'm just going to go ahead, highlight private, and right-click, and then select my option to add a folder. I can then name the folder accordingly. I like to name my folders by term, so I'm going to name this Fall 2025. And you'll notice I did not use a space. Instead, I used this underscore. One thing you should know about the naming conventions in Kurzweil is that you cannot use spaces. So I like to come up with creative ways to create spaces in content. Then I'm just going to go ahead and create this folder. And you can see under private, I have my summer 2025 folder already, and then we just added fall 2025. So I can also go ahead, right click and delete a folder. If I wanted to get rid of fall 2025, that would get rid of the folder and any contents in it. And then once I have content uploaded to a folder, it actually looks something like this. So you can see the files I have stored in summer 2025. If I want to add additional files to read, I can actually use my upload function. Or if I know that that file is already saved on my computer, I can click Computer. And then once that pops open a little gray pane, it'll show me places on my computer I can select from. So my desktop, my downloads, my documents folder. So it'll be really easy to download a document from Canvas and then save it to your desktop, open it in Kurzweil so that you can listen to it aloud. Thank you for your time in viewing this installment. Come back for our next video where we'll go over how to adjust your reading settings and how you can annotate texts using the Kurzweil software. Thank you so much.